In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the usage summary, transactions, and audit logs for LC Phone. So first, let me show you two new checkboxes while submitting A2P called direct lending and age-gated content. So you want to make your way to settings on the bottom left, go to phone numbers, click on Trust Center at the top, and here you can start your A2P submission by clicking on Start Registering Now. Start to fill out all your details, your profile needs, the business details, the business address, and after you inserted all your contact information, hit Continue. Confirm once more. Here on the next page, if you scroll down to the bottom, you've got those two new checkboxes. The next update is within Audit Logs. Now within the agency level as well as in the location level, you can see the A2P brand and campaign submissions as well as the resubmissions. Head over to Settings on the bottom left, select Audit Logs. In the drop-down menu, select LC Communication, and you will see the A2P submission popping up right here. Click on View Details. Here you can see that it has been submitted. The next update or new feature is to be able to see the new message segments as well as the call duration under Summary and Transactions. Again, you can find this under phone numbers on the left and then usage summary at the top. Here you can see the summary of how much you spent this month so far, last month, and the previous month. Please note this is visible only to agency admins. Scrolling down, and here you can see the detailed transaction. Here you can see this was an SMS. Let's click on the ID. Here you can see number of segments, one segment. You've got much more information as well. You've got the contact name, when it's been sent, the transaction ID, type of SMS sent, and so much more. Now let's select one of the recent calls this sub-account had, click on the ID, and here you can see the call duration, which is 90 seconds. And lastly, now you're able to delete the connection for sub-accounts directly from the agency phone integration page. So make sure you're logged into your agency account, go to Settings bottom left, and select Phone Integration right here. Under sub-account settings, you can select your account in question, hit the little pencil icon, and right here you can see the Delete Connection button. Another enhancement is the wallet balance check-in on the A2P submissions. High Level has introduced to check up on the A2P submissions to make sure that the sub-accounts or agency is active, along with their wallet balance is not in the negative. I will see you in the next video.